Yellow digger, brave and bright, sank into the mud with all its might. Purple crane came to the scene. Hee-ho, now the digger's clean. Green dump truck so strong and new tumbled in the sticky goo. Purple crane came to the scene. Hee-ho, now the dumper's clean. Big red dozer pushing hard got stuck in the muddy yard. Purple crane came to the scene. Hee-ho, now the dumper's clean. Stuffed the round and round, sank into the muddy yards. Purple crane came to the scene. Hee-ho, now the lumper's clean.
Wow, a super muddy playground. Oh no, the excavator is sinking. Don't worry, the crane is here to help. Heave, ho, pulling hard. We did it! You're safe now, little digger. Okay, let's get these chains off. Whoosh, splash, all clean. There you go, so shiny and new. Uh-oh, not again! The dump truck is stuck. The rescue crane is back to save the day. Come on, big truck, you can do it. Gotcha! You're free from the mud. Careful now. Let's untie the chains. Scrub-a-dub-dub, cleanup time. Perfect. Ready for a new job. Oh, the strong bulldozer is sinking too. Here comes the amazing crane one more time. Pull! The mud is so sticky. Hooray! The bulldozer is saved. Okay, you're heavy. Let's get you free. Zzz! Power wash! Wow, look at that shiny red! Even the cement mixer, it's going down! Last rescue, the purple crane can do it. It's wobbly, but it's coming out! Yes, the whole team is safe. Last one. Let's unwrap the chains. Spin and spray. Get all the yuck off. So nice and blue again. All clean. My team is ready for tomorrow.
Wow, look at all the cool RC cars ready to race. Let's go. The red tractor is first. Vroom, vroom. Its lights are on. Go, red tractor, go! Kicking up so much dust. Zoom! He's going so fast on the bumpy road. Whee! Into the mud. Splash! What a huge splash! The big wheels are digging deep. Chugga, chugga, so strong. Climbing the big hill. You can do it. Go! He made it! Parking perfectly. Good job, red tractor. Now it's the green tractor's turn. Steady and ready. Look at him go. So smooth and steady. So cool. Right through the water. Swish. He's not scared of mud. Splash, splash. I'm driving the tractor. This is so fun. Up the hill he goes. Chug, chug, chug. Almost there. Parked right next to his friend. Now there are two. The blue tractor is a rocket. Whoosh! So much dust. He's super fast, a blue flash. Noom. No slowing down for the mud. Kaboom! Wow, that was the biggest splash ever. So awesome. Powering up to hill. What amazing power. Vroom! 3 tractors all in a row. So colorful. Here comes the little orange truck. Beep, beep. Let's go. Bouncing along the road. He's on a mission. Oh no, the mud looks deep. Be careful, little truck. He did it! He got out of the sticky mud. Yay! He's trying so hard to climb the hill. You can do it! Mission complete. The little truck is safe and sound. Here comes the giant JCB. Rumble, rumble. So big. Stomp, stomp, stomp. The ground is shaking. He's a monster. The mud is no problem for the JCB. He just squishes it. Look at his giant wheels push the water. So powerful. Climbing the hill is super easy for him. Wow! The JCB is parked. Now all 5 are together. They all made it. Look at them, all covered in mud. The great RC race is over. Time for a rest.
Colorful RC friends gather all around. An exciting race begins. Are you ready for the sound? Start your mower, spin your wheels, let the dust fly free. 1, 2, 3, let's go! Shout it out with me. Brave red tractor rushes forward on its way. On the bumpy, dusty dirt road, hip, hip, hooray! Hooray! Muddy puddles are no problem, makes a big splash. Slishy splash. Up the hill he climbs with power, parks right in a flash. Success! Strong green tractor chugs along, steady and so true. Chugga-chug. On the winding country road, me and all of you. Doesn't fear the sticky mud, goes right through the goo. Swishy swish. Up the hill he climbs so proudly, parked right next to you. Success! Blue tractor is like lightning, flashing on the track. Faster than the wind can blow, there's no turning back. Zoom, zoom. Through the puddle in a second with a mighty crack. Up the hill he climbs so quickly, never looking back. Success! Orange truck is small but mighty, hear his happy horn. Beep, beep. Little wheels are spinning fast since the early morn. Mud is tricky, he struggles but he's newly born. Hooray! Up the hill he climbs so bravely, never feels forlorn. Success! Yellow digger marches forward, big and strong and grand. Stop, stop. Makes the ground begin to tremble all across the land. Stop, stop, stop. Puddle's just a tiny toy, pushes it with his hand. Yeehaw! Up the hill the final hero parks just as he planned. Success! All our friends have reached the finish, what a happy sight. Covered up in mud and glory, shining ever so bright. Now the super race is over, let's all take a rest. See you next time, RC friends, you all are the best.
Wow, a colorful toy playground. Ta-da! Here's the cool yellow excavator. Down the slide, whee! Thump. Let's dig the sand. Dig, dig, dig. What's that blue thing? We need help. Red crane truck to the rescue. Easy does it. Attach the hook. Click. Heave ho! The police car is out. Oh no! So sandy! Quick, to the car wash. Splish, splash! Time for a cool shower. Wow! So shiny and clean now. Wee-woo! Okay, let's find the next friend. Look, a red ladder this time. The mighty crane truck lifts it up. The fire truck is messy too. Let's wash it. Clean every little spot. Swoosh! Let's dig even deeper. Go, go, go! Oh, I see white and an orange stripe. Come on out! Ambulance rescued! Ooh, a dusty ambulance! Hurry up! Squeaky clean! It's so bright! Where could the last friend be? I found it! The little yellow taxi sign! One last pull, all the way up! Taxi, you need a bath right now! Wow! It's bright yellow like a flower! Good job today, rescue team! Everyone's together, so shiny and awesome! Thank you! Blink, blink, hunk, hunk! And peace returned to the playground. Bye-bye!
Say! Let's start digging in the sand! Where are all our toy friends hiding? Diggy dig, I see something blue. A police car is peeking through. The mighty crane truck pulls it out. Let's wash it clean and splash about. Now we see a flash of red. It's a fire truck stuck in bed. Pull it up now, 1, 2, 3. Make it sparkle clean and free. Look, the white and orange van stuck inside our sandy plan. We must help it right away and wash the dirt and sand away. Last one is the taxi yellow, such a happy little fellow. Let's all pull it from the ground so it can drive all over town. All our friends are here to play. Let's have fun now, hip you parade.
A bright and cheerful toy playground. A lonely gray excavator. A strong gray bulldozer. A quiet gray dump truck. And a gray cement mixer. Look, it's starting to move. Rattle, rattle to the red slide. From the top. Go! Whoosh! Into the red tunnel. Ta-da! A shiny red excavator. Its arm moves round and round. Rumble, rumble, the bulldozer moves. Heave, ho, it's at the top. Slip and slide into the yellow slide. Yay! A bright yellow bulldozer. The strong bulldozer pushes blocks. The dump truck goes to the blue slide. Vroom, vroom, the wheels spin fast. Zip into the blue tunnel. Hooray! A cool blue dump truck. Clatter, clatter, out come the blocks. Now for the cement mixer. It's at the top of the green slide. Roll and tumble into the tunnel. Wow! A fresh and green mixer truck. Its mixing drum is spinning. Whir! They all found their colors. The red excavator is dancing. The yellow bulldozer wiggles. The green mixer is spinning again. They are all moving blocks. Beep, beep, races the dump truck. playing together in a circle. The playground is full of joy. The sun is setting now. Good night, everyone. Play again soon.
In our playground, sun so bright, live the little toy friends. But their colors gone from sight, they are only gray friends. Up the big red slide so high, excavator slides down whoosh, through the tunnel in a flash, shiny red, what a rush. Yellow dozer strong and true, here's the dump truck honking blue. Green cement mixer spin, 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 let the happy fun begin. Ba 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 ba. Red and yellow, green and blue, we have found our colors new. Playing all together now, happy friends we take a bow.
Oh no! They're stuck in the big gooey mud puddle. Wow! Splash! Go, dump truck, go! Look, the police cars are going to play on the seesaw. Up and down, up and down. Whee! This is so fun. They're at the very top of the giant sand mountain. Wow! Here they go, sliding down the sand. So fast. The little red mail truck is ready to swing. Swinging back and forth. So relaxing. Climb, climb, climb! The brave fire truck is going up. Whee! Down the slide we go. That was quick. Into the dark tunnel. What's inside? The excavator is on the bouncy elephant. Ready to jump. Boing, boing, boing. Jump up high. Catch me if you can. It's a super fast chase. Swoosh! Down the red slide in a flash. Again, let's ride the long green slide. The bulldozer is going to climb the wall. You can do it. Heave ho! Climbing higher and higher. Yay! We made it to the top of the world. The trains are taking a cool bath in the stream. Splash! Cool and refreshing, the water feels so nice. Charge! The ambulance is splashing through the water. It's a giant bouncy trampoline. Ready, set, jump! Higher and higher! I'm flying in the sky. Jump! The cool police bike is hopping over the logs. Whoa! What a magnificent super jump! The garbage truck is going on a zipline adventure. Here I go, flying through the air like a superhero. Police car versus fire truck. Who will win? Kickoff. The game begins now.
Yellow dump truck, ambulance so white, splish and splash in the muddy puddle brown. We cannot move, but it's alright. The best car friends in this whole town. Police car seesaw up so high, excavator wishes down the sandy hill. Postal van is swinging to the clear blue sky. Brave fire truck is sliding, what a thrill. Bulldozer is climbing, heave-ho up the wall. Shinkansen is splashing, having a ball. Patrol car is bouncing, boing, boing, boing.
Rumble. Boom! Oh no, a big storm is coming. Wee-woo! Wee-woo! Emergency! Time for our mission. Pitter-patter. This shortcut looks dangerous. Screech! Crash! Help! The ramp collapsed! I'm stuck! Vroom! Splash! Hang on, we're coming to help. Screech! Flash! There you are. We see you. Clank. Okay, hooked on. Now, pull! Grr! Pop! You're free! We did it! Swish! Gurgle! Look out! The water is rising! It's a flood! Whoosh! Help! We're being washed away! Splash! We're trapped down here! We can't get out! Vroom! Look! Our little friends need help down there! Swoosh! Easy does it! Almost there! Heave-ho! Got you! You're both safe now! Creak! Snap! Whoa! The bridge is breaking! Wobble! Wobble! Help me! I'm going to fall! Vroom! Don't worry, friend! We're here! Click! Clink! I'll push, you pull! Grrr! All together now! Pull! Thump! You're safe! We did it! Swoosh! Now there's a blizzard in the mountains. Screech! Boof! Oh no! I crashed into the snow! Blink! Blink! I'm stuck! I can't get out! Crunch! Crunch! We're coming even through the snow! Shine! We see you! We're here to help! Click! Okay, the chains are on. Ready? Thwomp! You're free! We saved everyone! Hooray! The storm is over. Time for a victory parade!
Dark clouds gather, thunder rolls in our little diorama world. A mighty storm is taking hold, a story waiting to unfold. A red fire truck on a rusty ramp, trying to get back to the station camp. With a curse-style crack and a twisted trap, wheels are spinning, there's no turning back. Alarm bell rings, the garage door flies. Red and yellow heroes rise. Hear the call through the wind and rain. Two brave tractors, a mighty chain. Headlights cutting through the dark, leaving tire tracks making their mark. Tastic heroes, strong and true, racing in to rescue you. Tiny scooter, a van of green, swept away in a watery scene. Down in the drain, they can't break free. A tiny cry, come rescue me. Then a crane truck sways on a bridge of wood, dangling high where it shouldn't have stood. Hear the call through the wind and rain. Two brave tractors, a mighty chain. Headlights cutting through the dark, leaving tire tracks making their mark. Tastic heroes, strong and true, racing in to rescue you. The storm gets worse, a blizzard's might. A purple pickup lost in white, buried deep in a drift of snow. No way out, nowhere to go. But through the storm, two engines roar, ready now for one storm more. Hear the call through the wind and snow. Two brave tractors, watch them go. Headlights cutting through the white, shining oh so very bright. Tastic heroes, strong and true, racing in to rescue you. The clouds all part, the sun shines bright. All the toys are safe tonight. Driving home in a victory line, everyone is feeling